Hello there. So, do you desire Discord Nitro? Well, this guide is going to show you how to get Discord Nitro for free. So here's my Discord account, and as you can see, when we go to get Nitro, it's expensive. I will show you. Look at this. Alright, we're going to come down here to get Nitro. And as you can see, I can get Nitro, and I press get, and now I have to pay. Now there is the developer mode option with free access, which is only in this app, which I'm going to show you how to download this Discord Nitro mod. So press purchase and it's going to validate my account, and then I'll get Discord Nitro for free. So it tells you everything you get, which is super cool. So now I have Discord Nitro. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get into the video. So first thing is go to matrixmods.com, find Discord, press on it. This is obviously the Discord Nitro modded app, so press download, and there you go. So before it downloads, there will be a verification step. So this is where you have to download 2 different apps from the App Store, which are completely free. They're also from the official App Store, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, it says missing files, so we just have to download 2 of these apps. For instance, Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Or I could do Mode Casino, where you guys search something up, find the one by Abo Gaming, and there you go. So just do 2 of the apps. There's a video you can watch. If you press help, you can watch this video, so that can help you out. But yeah, that's how to get Discord Nitro for free, guys, and it can't be taken away. So it's really cool. So I hope you guys got Discord Nitro too, because I don't want to pay for it. It's a Discord mod app though, so it will run separate, and then you can log in your account that you gave Nitro to. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys, and peace out.